Hello guys, welcome to my channel Triple Tech. This is Imran Al Hassan. Today I gonna show you how to reset your PC like Windows 10, 7 or 8. Okay, any further delay, let's start the video. After intro, we come back computer screen, tap home bar, then click settings, then you open update and security. Now click recovery, then tap get started. Now click remove everything. Okay, now you tap all drivers, then click remove files and clean the drive tab. Next you tap reset. If your PC resetting long time, this doesn't matter. Guys, don't be upset because it's still loading. After 3 hours later, we come back computer screen. Now you show a setup interface. Now you select your own language. These steps filled your own way. I have finished my way. Guys, you can see finally our PC completely restarted. If you have any problem with PC, mobile, PS4, Xbox or any other gadgets, then please tell in the comment box. We will try to evaluate your valuable comments and we will try to solve your problem with upcoming video. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please drop a like, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe.